It was an ordinary spring morning, but my tomato plants seemed lifeless. Their leaves were pale, and the soil looked tired despite composting. Then I recalled an old gardening technique using pulverized rice. The idea was simple: feed the soil, not just the plants. I ground white rice into a fine powder and sprinkled it around the plants. Watering it in, I hoped for a change. Within a week, the soil darkened, and the plants turned vibrant green. New shoots appeared, and the garden thrived. The rice fed the soil's microbes, revitalizing the ecosystem. The garden was alive again, a marvel to witness. This simple act transformed my garden, proving nature's elegant simplicity. The rice didn't feed the plants directly, it empowered the soil's life. The garden breathed anew, a testament to nature's power. To understand this revival, we must look into the soil. It's a bustling metropolis of life, the soil food web. Microorganisms break down organic matter, unlocking nutrients for plants. Synthetic fertilizers bypass this system, offering a quick but unsustainable growth burst. They harm microbial life, leading to lifeless soil. Feeding soil with organic matter like rice is a collaboration with nature. It energizes microbes, creating a nutrient-rich environment. This symbiotic relationship builds soil structure and protects plants. Feeding the soil food web builds long-term fertility and health. It's a patient, rewarding way to garden. Real food stimulates a resilient ecosystem, unlike chemicals. Pulverized rice is a potent fuel for microbes due to its simple carbohydrates. It provides energy, driving microbial metabolism and soil-building activities. Pulverizing rice increases its surface area, making it instantly accessible. This creates a rapid response in soil and plants. Microbial activity multiplies, pulling nitrogen from the air and soil. This nutrient cycling releases nitrogen at the plant's root zone. Pulverized rice empowers soil inhabitants to unlock nutrients efficiently. It's an instant energy boost for the soil ecosystem. Applying this technique is simple. Use plain rice and grind it into a fine powder. Apply 1 cup per 100 square feet of soil. Sprinkle lightly, like seasoning a dish. Water it in to activate microbes. A yeasty smell indicates microbial life awakening. Avoid overuse to prevent nitrogen lockup. Start light, you can add more later. This method revives soil, creating a living ecosystem. It's a straightforward way to nurture your garden. Pulverized rice complements compost, acting as an accelerant. It energizes microbes, enhancing compost benefits. Use it with compost tea for a powerful combination. In containers, rice powder revives potting mix. Over time, soil becomes darker and more structured. Plants grow stronger, with deep green leaves. This method fosters a reciprocal relationship with the earth. It builds soil organic matter, sequestering carbon. We become custodians of a precious part of the planet.